I was recently asked to describe the attributes of what it takes to be a successful chimney service technician, might also be known as a chimney sweep. My name is Jerry Eisenhower, CVC Success Group. So here's what I came up with and what I've got noted down I want to go over with you today. Becoming a successful chimney service technician is going to require a combination of practical skills, a knowledge of safety protocols, good customer service. So let's break it down a little bit further than that. You're going to need technical skills and training. You got to be a problem solver because you're going to encounter problems in the field that you need to provide the solutions to your customers in a way that they can understand it. You're going to need training and certification, ongoing training. And you need to take industry certifications so you can signify to your customers that you have taken the steps to move to the highest level in your chosen industry. You got to understand chimney systems, and there's a vast different scenario of systems out there in the real world. You've also got to understand how they work, how pressures work. You're going to need to know about masonry chimneys, prefabricated, factory built chimneys. You're going to need to know about wood stoves, gas appliances, oil burning appliances, pellet appliances, all kinds of different appliances. It depends on where you're located, your geographic area of what you're going to find the heaviest. Okay. You'll need hands on experience. You're going to go through an apprenticeship. Hopefully, you're working with an experienced chimney technician because this is valuable for you. It allows you to learn the practical aspects of the chimney work that you're going to be doing, including dealing with soot, creosote blockages, problems, venting issues, pressure issues, how you're going to provide great indoor air quality to your customers. It's going to take specialized equipment. You're going to have all kinds of equipment at your disposal in order to do this so you can handle the soot and the ash safely, the creosote safely. You're going to have to use inspection technology. You're going to be using modern tools more than likely. It's going to include video scanning technology where you lower a camera down into a flue system to examine it from mere inches or even closer from the interior flue walls. You're going to become experienced in how to utilize computers, tablets, digital devices, and the software that today's chimney service technician uses on a daily basis. It's going to take stamina and strength because, to be honest with you, this is pretty demanding physically for the person that does it. You'll often need to climb roofs, navigate in the tight spaces, and work in all kinds of weather conditions. You're going to be working when it's hot, when it's cold, again, depending on the geographic area. You need to be comfortable with heights, going on to roofs. You're going to need to learn how to safely get up on the roofs and safely get back down. More than likely, you're going to be utilizing modern technology here also. And hopefully, you're going to learn to use ropes, roof ladders, rope access, all kinds of things in what you're doing out there every single day. You will need to know codes and standards, fire safety regulations. You're going to need to know fire codes, building codes, safety standards. It's critical for you to be successful. This includes recognizing the signs of creosote buildup. What causes it? Why does it look like that? Fire hazard, ensuring that the chimneys, the appliances that you service and inspect meet today's safety standards because you're going to find a lot in the real world out there you're going to be working in that doesn't. You got to have great communication skills. You got to be able to explain problems clearly to your homeowners, occupants of homes. You're going to be advising on preventative maintenance, and you're going to offer practical solutions for that customer to look into it. You got to be punctual. You got to be reliable. Being dependable builds trust with your customers and leads to repeat business and referrals. A key thing in customer service is always do what you say you're going to do when you say you're going to do it. Not every chimney is alike. They vary from house to house. You got to be adaptable to the different systems. You got to stay updated on new technologies, trends, and methods. And even in today's world, you're going to be encountering new systems that are coming out as I'm talking about this. Plastic venting is now becoming a reality in the modern venting system for high efficiency appliances. Your hard work and your building this trust with your customer is going to result in you getting testimonials. This isn't just a seasonal occupation. It goes year round. And those that do their jobs properly truly amaze their customers, do a fantastic job. What they find, they're going to be in high demand all 12 months of the year. If you combine the technical expertise that's available to you today, take the training courses in person, online, listening to your mentors, listening to and watching experienced people in the field, have a strong awareness of what the rules and regulations are for proper and safe venting of appliances. Remember, you got to be in good physical condition. You got to get your rest. You got to have a proper diet. Take care of your body. And every single day at every house you go to, you got to focus on customer satisfaction. Doing this, you can build a solid reputation and a successful career as a chimney sweep. I've been in this industry over 40 years, if you're listening to me, and I've watched this industry change tremendously. It's becoming a high-tech affair. Today, you're going to be a scientist. You're going to understand about pressures. You're going to know all kinds of code standards. Use this to inspect what you see. Be aware. Many consumers are not going to be expecting the results of your inspection. This is why you got to have those great communication skills, and you've got to be able to properly diagnose and be able to explain in the words that your customer can understand coming from you. And with that, I want to wish you success in your new chosen career. Apply yourself, and you're going to find that you are really going to be doing something that's going to make a difference in this world today and in the future. And not only that, it can provide a great living for you and your family in order for you to reach your personal dreams in life and to get the things that you want out of life. With that, thanks for joining me. I hope this gives you an idea of the great industry that you're now embarking on, and that you will be super successful in your chosen endeavors. Appreciate you joining me. Again, my name's Jerry Eisenhower, and I appreciate you listening to me. It's an honor, it's a privilege, and it's a pleasure. Have a fantastic day, and that super successful career is waiting for you.